Welcome. Today we are going to be answering a rather interesting question. How do stars twinkle? Stars twinkle due to a process called atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction is a process in which light refracts as it passes through multiple layers of the Earth's atmosphere. So what happens is, we know that stars appear as tiny dots in the sky, and this appearance of the star plays a key role in its twinkling. So what happens is, light from the star passes through the Earth's atmosphere, refracts multiple times, and reaches our eyes. This causes us to see the apparent position of the star. However, the atmosphere of Earth is filled with particles that are constantly moving, and due to this, there is a variation in the amount of light that enters our eyes. This causes the apparent position of the star to fluctuate, and this, in fact, causes the twinkling of the star. Now, let us understand with the help of an experiment how this process actually works. So, this is our experimental setup. It consists of three components: number 1, 2, and 3. That shiny thing which you see over there. So, this is our first component. It just consists of a convex lens and is connected to a stand. We shall be seeing the entire thing through the lens, and it is used to show the refraction process that occurs in the Earth's atmosphere. Secondly, we have this component. It is just a 9-volt motor connected to a disc. The disc consists of alternating bands of translucent tape. The tape has been given a slight reddish tint. This is to make the flickering process more clear. Otherwise, you will not be able to tell the difference between a brighter white light and a dimmer white light. And this is used to represent the moving particles in the Earth's atmosphere, and this motor shall be spun by supplying it with electricity. Lastly, we have this component. This represents the star. It is a simple circuit consisting of a light bulb, a battery, and a switch. Now we shall see how this works. Now let's see the mechanism in action. So you can see that the bulb is twinkling right now. So that was it. As an add-on to this experiment, we can also change the rate at which the motor spins. From this, we can observe that the rate at which the bulb flickers also changes. From this, we can conclude that the rate at which the star flickers in the night sky depends on the speed at which the particles move in the Earth's atmosphere. Thank you.